Good morning and welcome to the MERI Space Club Daily Space Bulletin. This is Lonit Manchanda reporting from the Department of Space Studies MERI. Let us start with headlines. India expands its role in space and defense integration. NASA progresses toward human moon missions. SpaceX continues global satellite internet expansion. Space weather activity observed. Today is Friday. In mythology, Friday is associated with Venus, symbolizing harmony and creativity, qualities that inspire innovation in space science. Before we begin, here's today's space thought. The universe is under no obligation to make sense to you. A thought given by Neil deGrasse Tyson. So let us start with the national updates. Starting with India. India is strengthening its space ecosystem through the Indian Space Research Organization ISRO, which is the country's main space agency responsible for satellite launches and missions. A key focus area is deep space, which means the use of space technology for defense purposes such as surveillance, communication, and national security. India is also encouraging public-private partnerships where government and private companies collaborate. This helps in faster innovation and commercialization of space technology. Starting with the international developments. NASA's Artemis program. NASA, which stands for the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, is preparing for the Artemis mission. These missions aim to send humans back to the moon. The long-term goal is to build a sustainable human presence. It will also support future mission to Mars. SpaceX and Starlink. SpaceX is a private space company working on Starlink, a satellite-based internet system. Starlink uses LEO, meaning low Earth orbit satellites. These satellites orbit close to Earth, providing faster and wider internet coverage. This project is especially useful for remote and unreserved regions. Space weather update. Recent solar activity has caused mild disturbances. These include solar flares and geomagnetic storms. They can affect GPS, which stands for Global Positioning System, and communication signals. Monitoring space weather is essential for satellite safety. Scientific developments. Microgravity research. Experiments on the ISS or International Space Station are studying life in space. Microgravity means very weak gravity conditions. Scientists are observing how bacteria and human cells behave differently in space. This research helps in developing new medicines and preparing for long-term space travel. We will be concluding with the statement like, from moon missions to satellite internet, space exploration is rapidly advancing and shaping the future of humanity. And that concludes today's Space Bulletin. This is Lonit Manchanda signing off for the day. Stay informed and keep looking up in the sky. Thank you.